Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Sumo So Sick, just checking in. Just got this in the mail. 2 packages from AppMax. Let's check them out. All right. This seems like a light one right here. Let's see. Any paperwork. Alright, there it goes. Check it out, guys. Very good, very good. That's right. Check it out. 1/4 ounce Gold Britannia BU proof, random year. Got it on sale. Freaking nice. You guys can get a good view right there. 1/4 ounce, man. Nice, nice coin. Look at that. I love that side view. Gorgeous coin. I gotta put this in a capsule. I'll put it away in a little bit. Alright. 1/4 ounce. Check out the package. Take out the paperwork. Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's right, guys. I had to do it. Oh my God. This is a big purchase right here. 2016 PCGS PR70. It's a medallion. South Korea chiwoo gold, 1 clay. Perfect condition. Oh my God, this is no joke right here, guys. You guys are seeing it right here. Big purchase for me. Very happy. Very happy. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. This is a very special coin for me. Fuck. Can't believe I did it, y'all. Oh my God. Perfect condition. PF70. Where is it? Oh, PR70. I'm sorry. PR70. Wow. Wow, this is no joke. This is no joke. Yeah, what makes this coin special is that there's only 2016 of these minted. And there's even fewer that are in perfect condition like this one. And that have the chiwoo South Korean black label. Okay, so there's very few of these. I still need to find out how many of these were minted with the label that are perfect condition. I need to figure that out. I'm trying to do some research. But man, oh my goodness. Oh my, this was one of my Black Friday purchases. And this was bought on Thursday, the 1/4 ounce. Okay, so wow. Hold on, guys, hold on. I also purchased 2 of these 1 ounce coins, 2 of them. I have the other one. I put the other one in my wallet just to carry with me. I like to carry a 1 ounce of silver with me just to have it, you know, and maybe show my friends, you know, hey, this is what you guys should probably look into. This is real money. So I got the other one in my wallet, but I put this one right here. They're both in capsules. They're just regular bullion, but I just like that, you know, the NASA, the moon landing. Not the actual moon landing, but the Apollo mission. This is Apollo 11. And it's got the eagle landing on the moon, and you got the Earth in the background. You know, I thought it was pretty cool, so I got that. And I also purchased a couple of coins, you know, that are just a good, right now, the price of silver is so good. Just bought me 4. This came in a couple days ago, like 2 days ago, just before the gold. So I didn't make I really don't do unboxing videos, but I just did it for this special occasion. So I'm adding this to the stack, you know. But man, I am just, wow. I'm gonna have to treasure this one. Wow, display it behind, you know, bulletproof glass, you know, in a security vault door. Wow, this is no joke. This is nice. I have another one, 1 ounce South Korean coin, the Sizing, something like that. I forgot the name of it, but I have it on my other videos. You guys can check it out. And I'm gonna continue to get more of the South Korean gold coins, gold medallions, I mean, gold medals. And I need a fillet tube of 1/4 ounce gold. I have let's see, 17 more to go. So that's a tube I gotta fill eventually. Alright, YouTube, thanks for checking out my videos. Remember guys, keep stacking.